Email verification failed on Igmarkets fix. If you're trying to sign up for Igmarkets and your email verification isn't going through, don't panic. This issue is common, but it can usually be solved quickly by following a few key steps. First, double-check the email address you entered. Even a tiny typo, an extra space, or a missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Precision is key. Next, check all your inbox folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from Igmarkets are sometimes filtered incorrectly, especially by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you locate the verification email, click the link promptly, as it can expire quickly. If you still haven't received it, request a new verification email from Igmarkets. Most users find this immediately resolves the issue. Sometimes the problem comes from your browser or device. Clear your browser cache, switch browsers, or use the Igmarkets mobile app to ensure the verification email is delivered correctly. Email providers occasionally block automated messages. If that happens, try registering with a different email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for receiving verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Igmarkets support. Explain that your email verification failed despite checking all folders and resending the link. Support can manually verify your account, so you can start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps usually resolves email verification issues quickly, letting you access Igmarkets without delay.